sections of this model in its full detail to show what I've done. So I've basically tried to show all of the different components of the flooring in a basic way. So here I'm going to take this out. Here I've got a foundation section which I first made from my cutting list and got Henry to cut, and then I drilled these holes to enable these little wooden pipes to slot in for the connection joints, and then they can then slot into the actual floor. So this represents a concrete foundation. This bottom bit represents a concrete flooring slab. These are the vertical joists that go over here, the vertical pine wood joists they would be. This represents the insulation, and it would be 50 millimeters thick, and it would run across. I think ideally it would be in between the joists to insulate that area, but I've just covered it, and I'll go into more detail in my models later on. And here's a vapor control layer, which basically prevents moisture from rising through the components and damaging the structure. And here's the floor screed, which is likely to be particle board, and then finished with wax polish or other polishes that would be needed. So this model, I've made it so that each of the rooms can be taken out so that we can focus on different sections of the home in my evaluation, so that we can see different rooms and understand the model more, so they can slot in and out like puzzles, like puzzle pieces. And I've also made it, initially the models just sat on top of each other, and when together you couldn't actually see the internals of here. So I've used these copper poles, and I've laser cut these positioning struts here to allow the model to slide in and out, slide up and down, sorry. So that you can also see the top floor and the second floor together, and it shows an open plan of the home. So I've made this to sort of put together all the ideas that I want to replicate into my real home, and think about different functions and different systems in the home. But I'll go into more detail later on.